Fixing the lumbar? Driving along? Co-pilot, pilot to co-pilot, pilot to co-pilot. We're going to Applebee's?
No, I'm not driving to I'm driving to a restaurant I like.
Which restaurant are we going to then? Hands on the wheels, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, let's go.
2 o'clock?
That's 3 and 9. That's 4 and 8. Why don't you just move the seat forward? Nah, it's easier that way?
We're going to Applebee's. Yes. You go to Applebee's, Charlie?
Charlie doesn't like Applebee's.
I do.
Oh,
What's all restaurants? I like Applebee's. We go to
Can you turn the air conditioning on? It's a little warm back here. I could have adjusted the vents myself, little buddy. Put the air on. Where's the key? Get your finger. Just hotwire it. Watch out for these people. Can you see out the mirrors?
No. What's the sunroof open?
Because now it would be a moon roof.
I want to see it.
Just look out the moon roof. Ugh.
Uh-oh.
Use the force, Jelly. Ugh.
My sheep.
Where are you going, Charlie?